Hello friends, how are you doing? Good day to you in your respective places. Welcome to LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. In this video, I will be showing you a coin that can earn you 6 figures within a very short period of time. So you need to start mining this coin now. It is absolutely free. You don't need to pay anything for it. So you are going to mine this coin, and whenever it gets launched, so I believe it can earn you huge amount of money. So you don't need to procrastinate, you don't need to doubt it, and it's not a matter of giving it a try, because you are not paying anything for this. You have nothing to lose. So just start mining this coin, and whenever it gets listed on exchange sites, you can convert it, you can liquefy it, you can sell it, and you can cash out your money. Okay, so let me show you the coin that you are going to that you are going to start mining. So the name of the coin is b.com. So let me show you here. So this is the coin here, B. So just go straight to your Google Play Store or your App Store and download this application, this app. So after you have downloaded it, then register, and I'm going to drop in the description box of this video the invitation code to activate your mining account, because you need to activate it by the invitation code. So I'm going to put it in the description box of this video. So let me show you how to get done. So the name of the token is B, but currently it is Nifty. So you are going to click on this red button. When you click on it, it's going to turn to green, and it shows that you are now mining. So you are going to mine for 24 hours, in which you come back again to mine. Alright, so that is how it goes. It's very simple, very simple. So for you to get started, so I will be dropping the registration activation code, the activation code. I'm going to drop it in the description box of this video. So just make sure that you use it. Just use LASOJENIC 20. LASOJENIC 20 is your invitation code in order for you to activate your account. Alright, that is all about B. You see now, right now I have successfully mined 2,100 plus. So let's assume when it gets listed it's worth $1. That means I already have $2,109 potentially. Okay, so that is all about it, and you can ensure you start now before the next halving. You can see right when it started, the mining power was 1.6 B per hour, but later, after it was halved, it was 0.8 B per hour, and right now it is 0.2 B per hour. So next halving will be 0.1, and after then it will be listed. So don't wait till the halving is 0.1 before you start mining this. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, this is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. It is very important that you subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, share with your friends, and like this video. Till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all, and bye bye for now.